Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the video in VLC. This is where you act. Once the file plays, go to Subtitle in the menu, then Sub-Track and choose Disable. You do this because many videos include a separate subtitle track that VLC can turn off instantly. If you need speed, press V to cycle subtitle tracks until none show. Make sure to confirm visually that captions disappear. If they remain, the next steps will explain why and how to handle burned-in text. Once done checking that disabling alone won't work, inspect the stream. Open Tools, Codec Information, and look under Streams to identify subtitle track types and ID. This tells you whether the file has embedded or external subtitles. If an external SRT exists, use Subtitle Add File or name it identically to the video so VLC loads it automatically. You switch tracks to test alternatives and extract embedded subtitles with FFmpeg if you need to edit or permanently remove them instead of merely hiding them. You finish by removing subtitles permanently when hiding is insufficient. Use FFmpeg to copy all streams except subtitle streams. For example, run FFmpeg with map -0, S to exclude subtitles, which creates a new file without them. Make sure to test the output in VLC to verify removal. If captions still appear, they are burned into the video image. Then you must re-encode and crop or use an OCR/masking workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.